Hi everyone, my name is Celine, Wellness Babe, here on YouTube, and on today's adventure, we go to the butterfly exhibit at the Natural History Museum in Los Angeles. The butterfly exhibit features exotic and local butterflies. It's a great place to see these exotic butterflies that you don't typically see on a daily basis. The first butterfly seen here is called the zebra longwing. In the United States, you can see this butterfly in the South and in Florida. This next butterfly is called the Mexican blue wing. It can also be seen in southern Texas. The malachite butterfly. This butterfly is native to Central America and can be seen in southern Texas and at the southern tip of Florida. Check out this butterfly with its wings closed, and now with its wings expanded. This is called the blue morpho butterfly from Central America. This is the pipevine swallowtail caterpillar, native to Northern California. This is a giant swallowtail chrysalis, cleverly disguised as part of the branch on this citrus tree. After the butterfly exhibit, we went to look at the dinosaurs and also the African mammal exhibit. The African mammal exhibit is very artistically done. It's beautiful and the taxidermy is impressive. I learned about badgers and how fearless they are. Have you seen that badger video? If not, go watch it. Their gem collection is also impressive. If you like crystals and gems, you'll love the collection. This rotunda was built in 1913, a good example of Art Nouveau architecture. Check out this blue agave bloom. They bloom once in their lifetime and then die. This is my new favorite flower, California fuchsia. Hummingbirds and butterflies love this flower. We ended with a trip to the rose garden. This rose garden has been here since 1927 and has over 100 different species of roses. Thank you so much for joining us on our adventure today to the Natural History Museum. I recently went to Maui. You can click here to watch that adventure. Where should we go next? Leave us a comment and let us know if you have a favorite rose or butterfly. Thank you for watching. Bye.